Hey guys, this is SaberMach here. This is a very quick video instruction on those of you who have just purchased your Templar NeoPixel from us. So this is a quick video instruction for all the functions that you can expect when you receive this saber. So first of all, you would have already received your hilt, and then of course it comes with your 36-inch NeoPixel blade, and of course your charging cable as well. So to turn on your saber, first of all you have to put your blade into your hilt. So make sure that you have pushed it all the way in so that the pogo pins are connected with the PCB over here. So once you put it in, alright, make sure it's in, and then use the Allen key that we have provided you and tighten the saber with the Allen key itself. So right, once it is tightened, make sure it's not too tight, just finger tight will do. The next thing you want to do is to wake your saber up. So the saber doesn't turn on by itself right now. So first is you will have to hold down the top switch, which is your activation switch, and the bottom switch is your auxiliary switch. So to turn it on, just hold down the activation switch like that.
Ready.
Alright, you will say ready, and in order to activate your saber, just press and let go. Okay. So your clashing effect as well. So if you press on your auxiliary switch at the bottom, you have your blaster block. And if you want to activate your blade lockup, hold down your aux switch and bang the saber down. Once you're done, you let go. To turn off, all you have to do is press and let go. Alright, let's activate the saber again. Now, in order to go into your blade profile, all you have to do is hold down your activation switch. Alright, so you can basically cycle through the different blade profiles. So once you go and choose the one that you like, you can, yeah, and then it goes back again. Then you let go and it would stay in that blade profile. So let me just demonstrate one more time. So if you like the rainbow effect or kind of like a flaming effect for this one, just let go. Alright, in order to change it back to the solid color, just hold it down again. Let it cycle through. So if you like this rainbow effect, just let go and it will stay in that blade profile. Alright, and hold it down again for it to cycle to the next one. So this is another one. Hold it down again for it to cycle through to the next. And alright, so if you like this one, you just get back to the original. So the next thing you want to do is to turn off your saber. Now there are several different sound banks that are pre-installed on the saber itself. So in order to change your sound bank, hold on to your auxiliary switch.
The force is calling to you.
Alright.
Something inside me has always been there, but I'm so
Alright, and if you like this one, okay. And of course it comes with the smooth swing as well. Now, one of the cool features about the NeoPixel blade is that it is also RGB, so you can actually change the color of the blade. So in order to do that, you will have to hold down both of these switches and let it cycle through. There are 11 colors for you to choose from. So there is white. If you like that color, just let go both buttons. If not, you get back to the red one again. Now, one more thing is, if you want to activate your silent mode, you will have to put your saber into deep sleep. So in order to do that, just hold down your aux switch.
Power off.
You hear the power off, and then hold down both of this button.
Mute.
You hear that there is a mute, and then you wake your saber up again by holding down the aux switch, and it will be mute. So you get all the functions without the sound. So in order to activate the sound back again, turn off your saber, put it to deep sleep, let go, hold down both buttons again,
Close mute.
and then you can see that it has activated back again.
Ready.
Now, one more thing is, if you want to check the battery power level, you can actually do that by, first of all, turning off the saber again in deep sleep, and then you hold down your aux switch, and you can actually see the power indicator. So green means that it is quite fully charged, and then it goes on to several different colors, from blue and then to red, which is red means that it is in low battery. So you can actually do that through this. So by pressing down the aux switch, now you can see the battery indicator. Okay, one more thing is that the saber does come with a drag effect as well. So let me turn on the saber again.
Ready.
So in order to activate the drag effect, you will need to point your saber downwards. So let me demonstrate it for you. Alright, downwards, and hold down your auxiliary switch, and then give it a good bang, light bang, onto the tip itself. So just hold this down. You see that? Alright, so you can actually activate this itself. Now, for the charging, you will be given a 5V 1A charging cable. You will need a Apple adapter, or a adapter that says 5V 1A or 1A. So the Apple one for our usage is perfect. So if you're using an Android, the Android is 5V 2A, so I would not usually recommend that. So use either your laptop or one of these adapters, and then you just plug it in, and then connect it into the recharge port just right above the activation switch. So once you put it in, the saber will be charging, and within 3 to 4 hours, and it will be in full charge. Don't charge it overnight, don't charge it more than 4 hours itself. So this is the video presentation for the instructions for the new saber, the Templar. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, do comment below, or send us an email at sales@sabermach.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Alright guys, thanks again.